Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get all the table names from an SQL Server database into an Excel sheet using a Power Query. I will show you two methods, one using the select statement and the second method using the Power Query. So let's start the tutorial. How to fetch records dynamically from an SQL Server database. This is a Charan database from SQL Server Management Studio. These are the table names. I fetched those records into sheet 1 and sheet 2. I have showed two methods. First one using the select query and second one using the Power Query method to display the table names from a database dynamically. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created one new workbook. The workbook name is a Book 1 Excel sheet. Now, in order to connect our SQL Server database, notice there is a data on the menu bar. Click that one. In the data, under get and transform, there is a new query here. Click that one. From databases, from SQL Server database. And now here we got prompt with a window which asking the user SQL Server database name, SQL Server name. So in order to get our SQL Server, first we need to connect our SQL Server Management Studio. So first let's connect the SQL Server Management Studio. Notice here the plug symbol, click that one. I'm connecting my SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have connected successfully. Now I am expanding the databases folder. Under databases folder, notice there is Charan and ABC. They are two user defined databases. Now for this example, I'm selecting the Charan database. I'm expanding the Charan database as well as the tables folder of the Charan database. Now notice below there are the user defined tables of this Charan database. Now my aim is I want to fetch all these table names only into this Excel sheet. So for that, first we require our server name. So in order to get our server name, in the Object Explorer there is a plug symbol here. Click that one. Now copy this, cancel. Now paste here. Now after that I require the database optional, but first method I will show you the select statement. Using the select statement SQL query statement, for that we require the database name. Here if you notice select statement optional requires database. This optional database we require. So again switch over to our database. Notice this is a Charan database. Let's grab that one. Database name is Charan, and now here select table underscore name from information underscore schema dot tables order by table name ascending. That's it. So which fetch the records which are the table names from this database. Let's click OK. So here we got the table name, which are these ones: country name, EMP details, country name, EMP details. Now that's load to. I'm selecting the table. After that, select where the data should be loaded. I am selecting the existing new worksheet only, not the new worksheet. If you want, you can place the data on a new worksheet, but I want to place the data on the existing worksheet. And also we can select the cell name also. If you want to paste here, you can select the B1 cell name, but I am selecting the A1 cell name. Click OK. After that, load. And here we got all the table names. Now here you can change the table name also. Table name the caption where whatever you want you can give here. You can put in the center. Now the second method I will show you. For that I am creating another sheet to display the records, the table names. Again I need to connect the database for the second method also. Then go to data, new query, from file, not file, from database, from SQL Server database. Now here SQL Server database name we require. So which I am pasting here, which I have copied earlier. Now this time I am not using my Charan database name here. Click OK. Now after I log in successfully, notice the navigator contains, this is my server name, which are the two database names. Now I want to display the Charan database. Let me expand this Charan database. Here we got all the table names. I want to display all these table names. For that what I am doing, I am selecting only the database name Charan, which are the 17 records. Now load to, here below the load button is there. From that I am selecting the load to table existing worksheet, which is a sheet 2. The cell name is a A1 only. Click load. Here we got the name of the database. Here we got all the table names, data, schema, item. But I don't record these all things. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this, highlight this one and select that one, delete. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to fetch records dynamically from an SQL Server database. This is a Charan database from SQL Server Management Studio. These are the table names. I fetched those records into sheet 1 and sheet 2. I have showed two methods. First one using the select query and second one using the power query method to display the table names from a database dynamically. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.